Alexa, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Alexa, good evening.
Good evening.
Alexa, how are you doing?
Great, thank you. I hope you're doing well too.
Alexa, what is the date today?
It's Wednesday, May 3rd.
Alexa, what is mechatronics?
Mechatronics is a multidisciplinary field of science that includes a combination of mechanical engineering, electronics, computer engineering, telecommunications engineering, systems engineering and control engineering.
Alexa, what is the atomic mass of palladium?
Palladium's atomic mass is 106 unified atomic mass units.
Alexa, what is control systems?
A control system manages, commands, directs or regulates the behavior of other devices or systems. And Control System is the second studio album by American rapper Ab-Soul.
Okay. Alexa, Alexa, what is digital signal processing?
Digital signal processing is a monthly peer-reviewed open-access scientific journal covering all areas of signal processing.
Alexa, what is digital logic design?
Digital logic design is a software tool for designing and simulating digital circuits.
Alexa, what is computer architecture?
The phrase computer architecture has two distinct uses, as a noun. 1. The art of assembling logical elements into a computing device, the specification of the relation between parts of a computer system. 2. Computer science, the structure and organization of a computer's hardware or system software.
Alexa, Alexa, what is a microcontroller?
A microcontroller is a small computer on a single integrated circuit.
Alexa, who are the Aztecs?
Aztec, from the pre-Hispanic Mesoamerican culture.
Alexa, what is a lithium polymer battery?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Alexa, what is lithium polymer battery?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Okay. Alexa, what is biotechnology?
The term biotechnology has a couple of distinct uses, as a noun. 1. The branch of molecular biology that studies the use of microorganisms to perform specific industrial processes. 2. The branch of engineering science in which biological science is used to study the relation between workers and their environments.
Alexa, Alexa, what is powder coating?
The number 14.
I asked powder coating. Okay. Alexa. What is the full meaning of DNA?
DNA means biochemistry, a long linear polymer found in the nucleus of a cell and formed from nucleotides and shaped like a double helix, associated with the transmission of genetic information.
Correct.